What is going on, YouTube? This video is about the Fimi X8 SE with new custom painted props. Also, it's got a star filter on here at sunset. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thanks for watching. Let's jump into the video. There we go. Seems to be working just fine.
Give our lives away, and we'll see another day. We won't give our lives away, and we'll know that we're okay. We won't give our lives away. I feel it.
Alright guys, I trust you all enjoyed the last song called Feel It by Mr. Harrison. Okay, in this video I'll be using the sun, the reflection of the sun, and the city lights to illustrate how you can make dramatic videos with the star filter. I've been using the star filter from URUAV for the last 3 months, and I'll put a link to the filters in the description below. I decided to share with you all some of the tricks that I have learned on how to get cinematic footage. To achieve the best results, you need a light source. And as you can see here, there is no better light source than the sun. The next best light source is the reflection of the sun off the water, or other reflective surfaces, for example like buildings with lots of glass. And lastly, I have found that the city lights will also give you a dramatic starry effect. The stronger the light and the closer you are to the light source, the more dramatic the results will be. On a side note, the Tredegar Iron Works in Richmond, Virginia was the biggest iron works in the Confederacy during the Civil War, and a significant factor in the decision to make Richmond its capital. Richmond, Virginia was the most industrialized city in the South, located along the James River, and with its 5 railroads radiating from the city, Richmond grew as a marketplace, its riverfront becoming crowded with mills and warehouses. Among these structures was the growing industrial complex that is the core of the Richmond Tredegar Iron Works. One of the things that is so nice about the Fimi X8 SE is that we have access to so many accessories that are inexpensive compared to the DJI accessories. For example, you can pick up the star filter along with 4 ND filters for under $25 or US dollars. One final note, this red-eye Fimi has been producing incredible videos for me, and in my opinion is one of the best value drones on the market today for under $500 US dollars. And it has a 4K stabilized camera and a good array of accessories, and it consistently flies over 20 minutes of real flight minutes.
Even in the dead of night, I feel the sun burn high. I know when you start your move, I move with you. Right turn, left turn, anytime you turn, I turn on. Yeah. Even after all this time, I can't let go, I can't let go. So even after all this time, I can't let go, I can't let go. In the darkness I still see the light. Even after all this time, all this time, you show me what it takes to love. Yeah. How to give and all. Yeah, I know there's a fire raging inside, making me move, we move. Every time you move, I burn up, I burn up. Even after all this time, I can't let go, I can't let go. So even after all this time, I can't let go, I can't let go. In the darkness I still see the light. Even after all this time, all this time, I can't let go, I can't let go. I can't let go, I can't let go. Night, I feel the sun burn high. I know. Even after all this time, I can't let go, I can't let go. So even after all this time, no, I can't let go, I can't let go. In the darkness I still see the light. Even after all this time, all this time, oh,
like a good song and a good video to calm things down, right? Well, you're probably wondering where all these people are walking from or walking to. Well, it's a place called Belle Isle. It's a small 54-acre island in the city of Richmond, Virginia. Belle Isle lies within the James River, and being owned by the city, it serves as a city park. It is accessible to pedestrians and bicycle traffic via a suspension bridge that runs under the Robert E. Lee Bridge, as you see here below. Well, people are walking back to their cars, and I'm flying to Fimi back. And I'm curious what you liked about this video or did not like about this video. Leave us a comment. Let us know. And if you find any value to this video, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Man, sure is a cool place, right? Alright, I'm flying to Fimi back. And as usual, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.